things up, those are your rudders. So the people in the back, when they push with your right foot, this goes that way, push with your left foot. You should all make sure that that's how you steer. Okay?
But anyway, we'll be getting out now, right?
That's how
To
you
walk
steer.
to the water.
Okay? So it's going to drag
I don't
on
think they
whatever
can
side
pick us up,
you
man.
push with your foot, it's going to drag your, it's going to turn your boat that way. Sorry. So the way we stay in the boat, the secret to staying in the boat is keep your head. Right now it's above my butt. If I take my head and go beyond the plane of my boat will rock over. So both you guys, everyone take your heads and go that way. Now go the other way. Feel the boat kick over?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that simultaneously. Because you're taking your head beyond your butt, and that's when the boat needs to adjust, and it'll adjust by letting you out. If you get out, you're going to shut your eyes right now. You're going to shut your eyes and go, oh, the water's not so cold. I'm upside down right now. Close your eyes right now. Take your hands out. Your eyes are shut. Take your hands out. Bang them on the side of your, like where your hips are. Now move them forward, looking for that plastic skirt that you attach to the boat and pull it off. Great. You just got out of your boat. If on a impossible chance that plastic skirt held you in, it won't hold you in. These ones will hold you in. Those won't. That's worst case scenario, right? You just learn how to stay in the boat, keep your head above your butt. For a single, that's single. For singles, that's the secret. For these, it's also the secret. But at worst case, you do bump by doing something, or you do dump by doing something, such as taking your head beyond your butt. Both you guys do at the same time. You're in the water now. You do that. Oh, there it is. Get out of your boat. Grab one of these lines. It's going to be dark. One of you guys will be wearing, at least one will be wearing a headlamp. We'll all be really close. We're not going to be far apart that we even have to yell, because it's a night trip and we could get weather, so we're going to keep a nice little pod together tonight. So if you do go in the water, we'll probably hear it, but the first thing you always want to do, great habit, is grab your boat, because the boat's going to float. The way your boat floats is this. This is the magic of why your boat floats, because if this tripped over, you have a neoprene cover that keeps water out. So if your boat goes over, you grab this boat. So what do? Personal responsibility. You make sure you float by putting one of these on always. Our water is hypothermically cold, so you're going to float by putting one of these on. How does your boat float? By sealing these hatches. So it's really smart to make sure that this hatchet is in there. You put it on. That's taking care of yourself always, right? So this holds the boat above water. You're holding onto that. And you say, hey Dan, hey Kevin, help me. The water's not so cold. This is pretty cool. We get you back in your boat. So that's best case.